Me got me a pen go see all one with favor monkey and the people them have me in a one could be in my brethren. And when you look at a monkey who wants safe in on it, and when me look, this your boy you know, down a pound, him and yam lizard.
Look how me neat, look how me sweet, make me hear you say gun pant it. Nah, it's not another Ninja Man video. It's actually a Badras video. Peanut Rasta or Peanut Dread or Peanut Bubble, whichever you want to call him, or Peanut Funny or Funny Peanut, meaning joke. Watch some video of the Rasta.
Little place where me live in a hot. Me see a oven. Me don't know if I come, my son come down near this year or what, you know. But boy God, I wet when me sleep and wake a sour. No, my God. Me can't keep up.
Anyways, a Peanut Dread have his own YouTube channel, which is called Peanut Dread, me believe. So hopefully the person will run it for him, buy him a fan or a AC and fix up a boss roof and put the ceiling, you know, what you call it again? You have the zinc and then the ceiling, yeah. Same have the whatever ceiling, me don't know what you call, yeah. If you protect him from the sun at the daytime.
When you're poor and visit a Jamaican public hospital.
When me if you go back out, they go make them inspect the eye, how it a come on. When me look, me no see no eye lid. Me ask the doctor say, when me eye lid there, sir, me say no sit down. And me I wonder if I man thief off it and sell other people, you know. Cause how me see cut off neat. Me I wonder say then nothing. Maybe somebody want a eye lid, you know.
Me last in the conversation, the eyelid, what's that? We have to go travel to Jamaica, find Peanut Dread and ask him about the video, cause me confused just as much as you. If you're not confused and you know what an eyelid is, let me know in the comment section. Now, this is the next video. You know what? Let me not say anything. Let's just watch it.
Keep.
Steam team.
Same.
Steam team. Like
Steep.
steam team.
Keep.
Steam team, like team, but a S in front of it. Steam team.
Steam.
Steam team. Steam, like
Steam
when you
team.
steam something like you boil water and the water steam up.
Steam.
Yes.
Steam what?
Team.
Steam.
Steam team, like a team, like a team of people.
Yes. So steam.
Team.
Oh, steam.
Yes.
Bumbo clad,
Yeah.
yeah. Yes. Big up steam.
Team.
Yeah. What?
Steam team.
Yeah, translate.
Listen, Peanut Dread hard to learn them. Yeah, water come from me eye. Or eye water is coming from my eyes. Steam team. It kinda hard to say still no man. Left Peanut Dread alone, brother. Oh boy. Steam team. Say it fast. You say it fast. And see if you not get tongue twisted like steam team.
I want to know when, because boy, I'm sorry for poor people. Yeah? Yeah, because I'm poor. When you look at cotton box, you must sleep under. Pampeza, well, one man have all 5 houses. Oh God, he can only occupy 1, you know. He can occupy not even 2, and him alone have 5. Boy, me no know what kind of world is me born go see, you know, right?
Life unfair or people just work hard for their things? It's both. Life is unfair. Life not cheat all of it fairly. And a lot of people just work hard for their things. And yeah, you can only sleep in a one bed at a time, drive one car at a time. But when you work hard for your money and you feel like you want to buy stuff for your comfort, you do it. It's unfortunate, say, you have people out there who can't buy stuff for their comfort, but whose fault is it? Is it theirs? Is it the system? Is it both? Sometimes both, sometimes your fault. Life.
Down my yard already. And me a grind one little one. And after 3 she sell. And me see the woman come here the middle there. And I go say, Ras, boy, me say the day hot. And me da after 3 cell and me say me push stand up on me now. Me pack up everything and come up here. Just come pick up. And me say rock stone then how woman I look like then now. Me say me glad when me here she come conscious. Cause clue she a give me over them now, you know. Cause me believe a only man nature right? Me no know see so nature right on them too. The woman pack up everything and come up here and come say, Ras, boy, me say me stand up on me no man and one fuck. And me pack up everything and come up here. And me say, oh, me glad man. Me like how you tell me. Me get in a more mood. When me
Rasta say, me glad you tell me, it get me in a more mood. Listen, women are way more hornier than men. It's just that when a man horny, you can't see it. It's obvious. When a woman horny, you can't see it, really and truly, because there's nothing to stand up. But Tessard, you know what? Me do the same thing, but me not tell nobody if you got essay nobody. But yeah, woman as horny as man are even hornier.
Yeah, Mali, the fire.
man, you fi mind your own bumbo clock business. Suppose me know me no make it trouble me.
No, as a friend, me concerned.
When you come and try to mash up me and my partner life, man.
Jew, she for me. Every man at Jamaica we have money. She
No, can't tell me that. Me no know of that, you know.
She for right Jew and a night Jew.
Me no see her. Where the bumbo clock you come and tell me for?
Shall I make plans with Alonso for got bikini Palazzo?
You see, you use that tail bearer to blood clot. You fi mind your own business here, sir.
July the 14th now.
Mind your own business, man.
I have to call you back.
Okay.
Rasta now I hear nothing. Don't come tell me say me wanna give me bun, brother. Me and me wanna enjoy herself when she come home, vagina ready. You know, she come home, come cook me dinner, clean me house. I don't know, I'm just assuming. Rasta now I hear say I get bun. Me different, me wanna know so me can cut. Cause you know, can STD come give me. Other people think what I think, but me don't want no STD, brother. Anyway, moving forward. The phone call the bud.
Me got me a pen go see all one when favor monkey and the people them have me in a one could be on my brethren. And when you look at monkey who wants safe in on it, and when me look, this your boy you know, down a pound, him and yam lizard. When I was born, me never see nothing go so. The man have piece of stick in a king, right? And the man go anywhere around a yard, them not know, you know. Say, boy, I eat lizard, you know. And the boy have piece of stick on the lizard, and say one fucking lick. And grab him up and fling him in his mouth and yam him. Come. You know, say...
I mean, I think lizard is dead. Where I start talk about, so they find somebody and name lizard. That's a strange one. But anyways... You know, say Rasta always have a story. Go and go check out the Rasta channel, Peanut Dread. I'm gonna find the link and link it down below. And yeah, watch the Rasta video so you can buy, what is it called again? The ceiling, whatever it is. You have the zinc and then you have the ceiling. Yeah, for protect you from the goddamn heat from the zinc. Yeah, go and go watch the Rasta video them on the channel and light them up too. So you can buy in ceiling. So you know if it hot like gotta come. No, you know if it hot like it's gonna move down on the roof of your house. Anyways, thanks for your continued support. We're almost there 20k subscribers. Subscribe and share the video. Turn on the notification bell. Like the video. Leave a comment. Send the video to your ex. So look at nastiness can have a laugh too. You can't mean with the laughing. Can't mean with the joke. Don't keep it to yourself. Share it with somebody else. Bless. Stay safe.